Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to add family sharing on Steam. So first of all, just open up Steam. Now click on the top left where it says Steam. Now click on settings. Now click on security. Now make sure your 2FA is enabled. Now click on family and you just have to toggle this one on, authorize library sharing on this device. Now right now it says no eligible accounts. So to get the account you have to close this, click on your user, then click on change account. Log into the other account where you want to share your games with. Then you have to follow the same steps. You just have to go into Steam, go into settings, then go into security and make sure 2FA is enabled. Then just log out of that account and log in back to your main account. Now over here when you go to settings and then you go to family, you'll be able to see the eligible account. And that is how you enable family sharing on Steam. If this video helped you guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.